little bitty squirrel too.
I know, but it's a big bark for a little dog. Oh man, I was trying to zoom in on the squirrel there.
It's coming out the right side of the tree now.
What? Where? Oh, I see.
You got it at that. Oh, now Signal's gonna try to get Ruby play.
Siggy's butt. Oh god.
Ruby taking a tinkle.
Siggy's not doing anything.
Get it. Get it, Cygnus. Get it.
Oh man. See
Get
Ruby.
it, Cygnus. Get it.
Siggy!
Look at Ruby, she's pointing.
Ruby is?
See the way her tail is up?
Yeah, but usually they would lift up their
know.
tail. I mean, their,
Oh.
yeah. Here she goes. Well, that's it.